Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best robotic pool cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Our top pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, offers all the functionality and convenience you'd expect from a robotic pool cleaner at a mid-tier price point. After testing for over 3 months, it not only saved us hours of manually cleaning our pool, but it also got better at mapping the pool over time. It's designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long and cleans your pool end-to-end in around 2 hours. It requires no pumps or hoses and features dual scrubbing brushes to help remove dirt, algae, and other debris. This robot uses smart navigation to clean the floors and walls of your swimming pool, and its tangle-free cable ensures that it won't get stuck as it works. It's easy to empty the 2 cartridge filters from the top of the machine, and it captures large and small debris. Moving on at number 9, we have the Iper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. This pool cleaner doesn't have smart features like Wi-Fi or smartphone connectivity, but it works just fine without them. It uses Iper's WbOt 2.0 smart navigation technology to efficiently clean pools up to 1,600 square feet by scrubbing in methodical parallel lines instead of the randomized pathing used by many other robotic pool cleaners. We cleaned our 10 by 40 foot pool 3 times in about a month, and it provided the same excellent performance each time, covering every part of the floor and the walls and leaving no visible debris behind. It took about 2 hours the first time, when it had to deal with a lot of silt and dirt from construction, but we observed subsequent cleanings to be much faster at about 90 minutes each. At number 8, we have the WYBOT Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The WBOT Osprey 200 performs well in both in-ground and above-ground pools and is really easy to use, which is why it's our favorite budget pick. It cleans flat-bottomed pools very well and even handled the slight incline in our pool, 3 feet on one end to 5 on the other, without any issues, even though WBOT designed it with level floors in mind. This robotic pool cleaner costs about $400 less than the Iper Scuba S1, our best overall recommendation, which is a huge discount. It can't clean walls and has a shorter battery life, but it's perfect for smaller pools and lighter duty work where a more expensive unit isn't necessary. This robot also works in above-ground pools, which the Iper Scuba S1 doesn't. We were impressed with how well this robot handled our 12 by 30 foot kidney-shaped pool, completely cleaning the floor in less than an hour. That's about the limit of its battery life. It can only run about 50 to 60 minutes on a charge. So while the battery was more than adequate for our pool, it could be a source of annoyance if you have a significantly bigger pool. At number 7, we have the Iper Seagull SE Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's not often that you come across a robotic pool cleaner that's effective, affordable, and works well in above-ground pools. After 6 months of testing, the Iper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner floored us with its easy-to-use design and effective debris removal, especially on smaller debris like pollen. During testing, we enjoyed using this pool cleaner in a 40 by 18 foot in-ground pool 2 times per week. However, we specifically recommend it for above-ground pools because it really shines when you give it a flat bottom to work with. If your in-ground pool has a flat bottom with no depth changes, that will work, too. This cleaner is easy to set up by popping in the cleaning brushes and fully charging it, as there are no other complicated steps to go through. We learned that if you don't allow it to fully charge, you may not experience as thorough of a cleaning job. The charge time is rather long at 2.5 hours, but it's well worth your time to let it finish. At number 6, we have the Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom is our favorite smart pool cleaning robot because it combines best-in-class cleaning performance with useful smart connectivity that doesn't get in the way. The iAqualink phone app provides a constant connection to the robot, with essential information like charging and cycle status, including push alerts when the Polaris is done and ready for retrieval from your pool. We liked that we were able to use this cleaner without the app after the initial setup. It's really easy to use, just turn it on, set it in the pool, and it gets to work. The app allows you to choose from 2 specialized cleaning modes, waterline skimming and a smart cycle that increases efficiency, but we were very satisfied with the performance of the standard cycle. At number 5, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthwhile investment. During several months of testing, we were impressed by its thorough cleaning abilities. Unlike less expensive models, this robot also cleans the pool's walls and waterline, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. Its 2-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. This pool cleaner is equipped with powerful scrubbing brushes, 3 to be exact, that provide a deeper clean, and smart navigation software scans the pool to create an efficient cleaning route. The tangle-free cable prevents the unit from getting stuck, and the unit features an automatic weekly timer and an LED indicator light that tells you when the filter is full. At number 4, we have the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner. During our initial testing period, we noted that the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner seemed to be the Ferrari of pool cleaners, and its price tag certainly reflects that. After 6 months of daily use, we still love this corded pool cleaner. It's proven to be powerful, effective, and easy to use. In fact, this cleaner has had no problem removing any debris. It doesn't even require charging because of its corded status, but that does limit its capabilities to a 50-foot long pool. However, it's compatible with all pool liners, including Gunite, fiberglass, and vinyl. To start this pool cleaner, you plug it in and connect the smartphone app, which is very user-friendly. From there, you can select from several cleaning modes, including floor only, walls only, or a combination. There's also a quick clean mode if you don't need the entire pool to be deep cleaned. Our favorite feature has to be the remote monitoring and cycle alerts, which pop up once the cleaner has finished a cycle. You can then instruct it to float to the surface of the pool for super easy retrieval. At number 3, we have the Polaris 7000 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Finding an above-ground pool cleaner that effectively cleans coves, as well as the floor, can be a challenge. We were impressed by the sheer suction power of the Polaris 7000 above-ground pool cleaner, which disturbs the surface of the water when in use. We love that you can easily program it to clean at specific intervals and times. It's capable of cleaning a 30-foot wide pool and has a 40-foot long cable for extra maneuvering around corners and obstacles on the pool deck. Plus, the only setup required was attaching the power hose to the cleaner. The rubber tracks also give this pool cleaner an edge in gripping the slope of a cove around your pool's circumference. We experienced heavy rain between the testing phases of this cleaner, and we were particularly impressed with the clear and thorough path that this cleaner cut through a significant amount of algae at the bottom of a pool. At number 2, we have the Iper Seagull Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. After 6 months of use, the Iper Seagull Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner continues to be the front-runner for tackling leaves and twigs among all the robotic pool cleaner models we've tested. We also happened to test this cleaner in a pool that's shaded by a cedar tree, oak tree, and bamboo, so it was well challenged with a surplus of debris. Our favorite feature of this pool cleaner was its methodical cleaning pattern, which operates in an S shape across pool floors and an elongated N shape along walls and waterlines. We will note it's very important to start this pool cleaner along a flat wall. We learned that the cleaning pattern is easily interrupted when initially placed near steps or a sun ledge, as we did at first use. Despite a rocky start, we love how efficiently this pool cleaner can clean a pool's entire surface area. It also has 3 settings, so you can choose whether it cleans on an automatic setting, both floor and walls, floor only, or wall only. And finally at number 1, we have the Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control and schedule it right from the iAqualink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. This high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools, thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable. It's important to note we tested this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so we could not test its wall, step, or waterline cleaning abilities. All in all, though, we were impressed by this cleaner's capacity, which easily handled the pool's floor, which was covered in algae and leaves. It also learns your pool's size and dimensions during the first automatic cleaning cycle, so that it can further enhance and expedite cleaning during subsequent cycles.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.